Flowers, it's the girl Reese LaFleur, and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, I'm super excited. Do you see like the smiling happening? Because I love how this came out. I really wanted this week to be about black fashion, iconic makeup, all that kind of stuff. So we're starting off with a very much disco forward vibe. We're heading to Studio 54 tonight. Yes, we are. Who's gonna meet me there? We're gonna be in VIP at Studio 54 for the disco. Donna Summer just dropped hot stuff, you know what I'm saying? It's lit. So, if you want to see how I got this 70s inspired makeup look, please continue to watch. Before we get into it, my name is Reese LaFleur. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a baddie of all trades type of vibe. So we're doing nails, hair, makeup, bashing, all of that good stuff. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure that you share this video with your friends. And without further ado, we're gonna get into the look. Honestly, it's the fro for me. It's the fro for me. Like, I just feel like, who gonna check me? Hey guys, so we're going to get right into it. We're going in with our Fenty primer. I really want to do my base the same way I normally do my base. I don't know if I can effectively do a 70s base, but I feel like my base is base enough. This is my Fenty foundation. This is the number 450. And we're just going to blend that out with my Morphe M439 brush. Now, the point of this look is just because I want to make sure that this week is all about black history, serving looks. Black people have been iconic in history, fashion, makeup, all of those things since the beginning of time. So it's really important, I think, that we showcase that, especially when I'm so into fashion and hair and all of that good stuff. So after I put the foundation on, of course, I'm going to go in with my concealer. And this is from Juvia's Place. I'm just going to blend that in like how I normally do. If you've ever seen any of my makeup videos, this is literally the same beginning that is in all of them, because I do my base first. And it always looks like this. So after blending that, we go in with our darker color. This is the Juvia's Place. I think the lighter color is number 11, I want to say. And then this is the number 3 for the contour. And I'm just buffing that out right now. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and with my Juvia's Place setting powder, I'm just going to put that all over my face. I went ahead and did my eyebrows, and now we're going to go straight into eyes. This is the Louise Base number 2, and I'm just going to pack that over the lid. This product helps the eyeshadow stick to your lid, and it helps your eyeshadow be a lot more pigmented. One thing I noticed when I was doing my research for the disco of the 70s, like, women had, like, they wore either like very smoky eyeshadow or they had a very bright color. So I wanted to kind of mesh the two in a sense. So we're going in with this green because the dress that we're going to be wearing is like this lime green. So I thought it would be really cute pop of color. So that's what we're doing now, and that's my Morphe Boss Smooth palette. So we just blend. That's really all it is. I try to pack in the eyeshadow and then do swift moments. But what I am trying to do, if you notice, I am trying to bring out that eye a lot more, because I noticed that they tend to put the eyeshadow a little bit past the eyes. They drag out the V's. So I wanted to be able to do that and create that look as well. So I'm just going in with another green. And then, of course, off top of that, we'll add some black to give it more of that smoky look before we put our lid color. So this is the deep olive green. I'm surprised that I'm actually doing green. I was actually live with I Am Melanie Marie, my homegirl Bree, and I did a look similar to this, and I decided to use those same colors because of the dress, because I was not comfortable using green, but now I am, because I feel like it just looks good when you see it, and I'm trying to like smudge it out a lot to still give it that 70s vibe. I feel like makeup today, when we do it, it's a lot more clean cut. Everything has to be like super like blended. I feel like in the 70s they was just like, no, we throwing these colors on, boom boom bow. I don't know what it is, but it's just a different look, so I'm trying to go for that. And that's why you see me going back and forth blending so much, because I'm trying to smoke it out while still keeping that shape. Okay, we're gonna sip some tea. And now we're going to go in with the black. Here is the black color now. I'm just trying to smoke that out as much as possible so it doesn't just look so harsh, but also keeping that shape of the eye that I've already created. After that, I go in with another green that I already used, which is the green that kind of like at the top of the lid, and I'm just dragging that underneath the eye. Like I said, they do drag the eyeshadow all over the eye, so I want to make sure that you can see it on my top and bottom lash. Especially for this look, we're going to have some bottom lashes, so it's really important, you guys. Well, to me it is. It's not, you know. So now I'm going in with the shimmer green color, and I'm just putting that all over the lid. All over my lid. And I think this is just completing the look a lot more and giving me the vibe that I really wanted. I'm loving how this came out, you guys. Alright, so I'm going back in with the black now, and I'm just going to try to shape that outer corner to add some more depth to my eyes, which again is super 70s inspired. I want to make sure that I'm giving vibes. Alright, so they don't usually wing, so I'm just doing a regular liner on my eye lid. Just doing regular liner, no. I just got it in my eye. That's fun, but not really any like winging. So I'm just going in with my contour palette from Morphe. I'm just going to put that all over where I usually put it. And if you notice, like the 70s was heavy on blush, and if you know me, you know I love blush, so I do not mind putting on this much blush. I want to look rosy and red, okay? Like if you look up Diana Ross in the 70s, blush is on lean, okay? I feel like the 70s, the 80s, well, it's just maybe the 70s and the 80s, they were blush power, okay? But the 70s was just bright colors everywhere. I mean, excuse me, the 80s were just bright colors everywhere. And I feel like the 70s was just more like smoky kind of colors. But, you know, I'm adding a little bit of highlight, but not too much. I went ahead and did my top and bottom lashes. These lashes are Prissy from All Dolled Up Cosmetics. And the bottom lashes are just I Envy Individuals from Kiss. So I'm going with my Joah Water Matte Chocolate Chip Matte Lipstick. And then this is my Fenty Pink Ballerina. What is this called? Ballerina Ball Out, I think. Woo, child. And I'm putting that over my... I thought the contrast of the pink and the green would look really pretty against the dress. I didn't want to do a nude lip. It's been a minute since I've done a color lip, but I really wanted to give you 70s. And I threw on my afro, you guys, and that's it. We got the dress on, and I just love how this came out. I really am excited. We are out to Studio 54, you guys. Period. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mwah. Bye.